Alrighty, welcome back, riders. I got something a little special for you today. We're gonna be meeting up with one of my buddies, kind of a buddy. Hit me up on YouTube. He has an Onyx RCR. We're gonna be going riding today. Super pumped. Should be pretty good. Pretty good riding. Right now I'm on single motor because I'm just trying to conserve battery to get to Walmart because that's where I'm meeting him up. All right. Oh, I think I see my buddy. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. He turned the other way. Let's go chase him. What up? Damn, that look nice.
Dude.
Oh,
That shit is way bigger than I thought.
Dude. It's so big. It's so tall, man. I'm on tippy toes.
What the hell? It's a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
That's sick. Yeah, hell yeah. Freaking, dude, I got freaking lost. I don't know. This looks like my area, but backwards. You know?
Yeah, it is. It's kind of.
What the hell? I'm going that way, coming this way. 11 miles, dude.
Nice.
It took me 11 miles to get here. I probably have like a good 30 miles with the cruise, 40 miles, maybe.
That sounds awesome. I think that's pretty much that's like peak what I get.
Let me freaking. Oh wait, you want to like? I like the sound. I like the side of town, man.
Yeah, it's nice. It's old timey.
Yeah, it's very tiny. All right, good. I'll turn it down. Bigger than I. So here's the Onyx.
That looks nice.
Hey, look at that fucking seat. Is that the seat?
Yeah, I think your seat is more. Yeah, your seat is more comfortable. Mine's more of a bike seat.
Oh, it's hard.
It's firm.
Dude, this thing is a lot cooler than I thought.
This is cool. I thought this was gonna be bigger than this.
That's what I thought. When I'm looking at that, I was like, oh, never mind. Mine's is a baby. I mean, it hauls ass. But
yeah, I mean, yeah, it's more of a moped.
Yeah.
I like your. Is this standard?
No.
Yeah,
I was like, I'm about to get that.
That looks great.
That.
Yeah.
When you get up to 50, oh my, you need it. 40.
Yeah, no, this.
30.
I tuck.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
the same thing, dude. So
is the black
this you can order. I mean, it's more expensive.
Yeah.
I could have put these on here instead of that. Those don't come with it either.
Yeah, when I saw you come in, I was like, oh, it's a lot more customized.
Yeah, I put my own seat on it.
Yeah, that looks great.
That's for my little daughter.
Yeah, we'll be cruising. I'm gonna keep it all in dual motor. We'll be going 30, 35.
I cannot wait to fuck that.
I can't believe freaking Dylan Thompson. He's like fucking called me out. I was like, oh shit, man. I gotta be nicer.
He's sitting down on the bench just talking shit. I was like,
I was like, what?
Oh,
that's funny. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Oh. Dude, feel this action.
Oh, it's very. It's so firm. It's very motorcycle.
Oh man, that actually feels better. That shocks too. So. Wow.
So it's only front suspension. The tail is gonna
This thing is so damn nice. It's like,
yeah, okay, so this is really awesome, but I think this is really awesome too.
Yeah.
I think they're definitely two different things.
two totally different things. You guys want to check out more footage? We're gonna go on a ride to
Garden of the Gods.
Okay.
Yeah, should be probably like a 20-mile ride. It'll take 5 minutes to get there, and then we'll just do some laps. Yeah, it'll be really fun.
20 miles that way?
No. No, it's only about like 3 miles.
Well, this is gonna
that
be
way.
fun, dude.
Woo! Sorry. I'll try to keep a lane. Yeah, it does. It's nice, but then it hits like 33 and then like that's it.
That thing is not a joke, man.
Yeah, the dual motor is kind of, you know.
I don't think I got that. Do it again? I don't think I got that. See, I see it burn rubber online, and I'm like, I gotta see this.
Oh yeah.
That 12th Street had to come all the way back.
Oh, that's funny. Oh well, whatever.
Yeah.
We'll learn.
Lesson learned.
Next time I'll meet you at Palmer Park.
No. to take off.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, well, it's gonna get cooler if you haven't been here yet.
No, dude, this is sick. I'm like,
it's gonna be it's a giant red rock formation, so we're gonna go through a nice little. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Yeah. Should I keep recording or?
Yeah, man, keep recording. It's gonna be right up the hill. We're gonna. Right, the coolest thing is almost right up the hill. Yeah, the balance rock, yeah. It's one of the coolest things. Yep, so we're gonna go in a circle.
Oh, yeah. We're going where?
Like, well, you'll see. We're gonna be riding this road, but we can pretty much stay in this lane. Yeah.
Oh, it's just a hill down here.
Yeah, we're gonna go this way, and then let's see how fast. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, so we're going slower than what that's meant to be.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's really good. You'll have a lot more range around here. But we're gonna pass every car. So let's go up the hill. And we're gonna go down it. Part of Garden of the Gods. Yeah, it's you'll see there's these big rocks all red rock formations with little, like, people stand up there. Look, they're like hanging up there. They climb it. All right, this is the fastest hill here. If you want to bomb it with me, we'll probably hit like
straight down.
There's one curve right here, and then it goes straight. It's straight. All right, let's go. That was dope.
Dude, that was sick. That was freaking awesome.
You flew.
I almost hit 60 on that.
Yeah, I think I got 40.
Really?
40 something, yeah.
Oh, dude, that's fun.
Yeah. This is what I do. I come here and I just do laps. I'm like, man, I don't want to get hit. I want to feel like I'm king of the road.
Yeah. Dude.
So here, cars are only allowed to go like 20 miles an hour.
This is king of the road right here, dude.
This is, yeah.
You are king of the road, man.
Yeah. So I'm at 50% battery, but I have a full other battery. Right
Lucky.
Here.
I'm
Right.
at 50% and
We're gonna be going this
yeah.
way.
Looks like I can't turn off here.
This is another hill that we can bomb. You ready?
Okay. So looks like we're gonna try to bomb this hill before this truck comes.
Yep. Go. 3, 2, 1. So there are trails down there that you can ride your bike on, and you know, probably take this anywhere. Yeah.
What about that?
Up here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. But we're gonna go into this bike lane to pass all these people, unless they're gonna all go all the same speed. I think we're good. We're good. Let's go right here. Right here. I don't know if you wanted to park, take a quick look.
Yeah. So guys, yeah. I'm gonna go see one.
Do you need it turned on? Okay.
This is nice.
You
Okay,
hold.
so you hold that guy.
Right. It'll be power assist, pedal assist 1. You want to turn that to 6.
Oh yeah.
Right. That should be good. I think you're all pretty much set. Check your light.
Yeah, mirror's all good too. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
What is that?
Unnecessary. Turn this way. Don't go out that way.
Dude, this is scary. The hell, that mine was scary. I feel for me now.
It has the same amount of power as my 250 had.
I was gonna say, my girl doesn't need this.
Maybe faster. Maybe it's definitely faster. I mean, you definitely just stop though. You hit 30 something and then
you just back up a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's nice too.
It's like you're just sitting up like you're like king of the road. I go.
You go first. Yeah, if you want, just give it throttle up here. Oop. Yep. Damn! Damn! What? No, you're good. Pedaling this thing is a joke.
Oh, it's ridiculous, right? You're just like.
I would not want to get stuck with this. I think that's okay to get stuck in, maybe.
This, yeah, maybe. I like this.
So this is that same hill that we bombed. You want to bomb it?
This is the same one?
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, 3, 2. You could go in front of me.
Oh, it's so rough.
That is awesome. I want to pedal. What? Yeah, I think so. Let's I think you can. I think you have to go up that way. You want to go up?
Probably gotta go up, huh?
Yeah, we can go up.
Or like right there, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
Those guys are.
Yep.
Oh, you have to.
Should be good. This is awesome.
Is it?
Yeah, I like this. This feels more like a motorcycle though. This still kind of feels like a bike.
Yeah, but it still has its, you know, it still has what it is. It's
Yeah, you
still
you
freaking fast.
you launched it, man. I was like, oh.
Yeah. It's fast. Dude, that's scary. And I'm afraid of heights too, so this kind of whatsoever. Dude, yeah. This is it.